Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. So my name is Ahmad Fakir bin Rosli, TB23016. For this project, we agree to choose renewable energy. There are many options in renewable energy, so we choose hydroelectric as the title of our group poster. We face the problem of possibly running out of energy resources. For example, to supply electricity, we use coal, and coal is unrenewable energy. It is cannot accommodate the increasing demand every year. So, to solve this problem, we are encouraged to use a renewable energy, which is hydroelectric. So, before we go through more detail about hydroelectric, we need to know first what is hydroelectric. Hydroelectric power is a renewable and sustainable source of energy. It is referred to the generation of electricity by harnessing the energy of flowing water, and it typically involves constructing dams or any flowing water to turn turbines and convert it to the kinetic energy. That kinetic energy is transformed into electricity by hydropower using turbine and generator, which is then sent into the electrical system to power resident companies and industry. So I will give the present this present to next group member, and he will present about how the system works, uh, and so on. So that's all. Thank you.
A very good day to my lecturer and my group mates. My name is Garenzo Balwan. My matrix number is TB23018. In this video, I would like to explain the functionality of the hydroelectric, which is the chosen topic, renewable energy. Firstly, the water needs to be moving to produce the power. This is called a kinetic energy. Water flows through a turbine and turns the blade, which are called mechanical energy. Generators rotor, which is turned by the blades. It is transforms the mechanical energy into the electrical energy, or as you can call electricity. Next, a head or a height is created by the dam from which water flows. Water is transported from the reservoir to the turbine via a conduit called a penstock. The turbine blades are pushed by the swiftly flowing water, which acts as a pinwheel in the wind. The force of the water on the turbine blades rotates the rotor, which moves the section of the power plant. When coils of wire on the rotor sweep past the generator stationary coil in a bracket stator, that is how the electricity is created. Here's the example of the illustration of the hydroelectric. There's either the water from the lake or a river, and here's a dam. The water flow through the penstock at here. It causes a turbine to move, so the generator can produce an electricity. That is all for me. Thank you very much.
My name is Nur Hanifa binti Abdul Rauf, metric number TB23017. I would like to explain the application and the advantage of hydroelectric plants in our life. Hydroelectric physics find a practical application in various aspects of human life, especially in the generation of electricity. Hydroelectricity is a renewable energy source, reducing dependence on non-renewable fossil fuel. Its application align with the growing demand of environmentally friendly energy solution, reducing greenhouse gas emission. The study of hydroelectric physics contributes to advancement in technology and engineering. Research in this field enhances our understanding of fluid dynamics, turbine efficiency, and sustainable energy practice. Hydroelectric power has several advantages, making it significant and widely used source of renewable energy. Firstly, the low operating cost of hydroelectric power. Once a hydroelectric plant is constructed, its operating and maintenance costs are relatively low compared to some other form of electricity generation, such as fossil fuel plants. The second advantage is creating new job employment. The construction, operation, and maintenance of hydroelectric power plants create employment opportunities, contributing to local and regional economic development. Hydroelectric power plants is also flexible in operating. Hydroelectric plants can quickly respond to changes in demand. They can be easily adjusted to produce more or less electricity based on immediate needs of electrical grid. Next is hydroelectric dam frequently generate reservoir that may utilize for both water and agriculture reason. This reservoir may hold water during times of high flow and release it during drought, thereby assuring a steady supply of water for agriculture, businesses, and people. Last but not least, hydroelectric facility generally has a long lifespan, often exceeding 50 years. This longevity contribute to their economic feasibility and sustainability.
Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. So today I will explain about calculation of power generation from hydroelectric. As you can see, the power generation, as you can see from the poster, we have the calculation over there, and where P is the power in watt, W, and eta is coefficient of efficiency, a dimensionless scalar ranging from 0 to 1, indicating how efficient energy is converted in the system. M dot is the mass flow rate in kilogram per second. G is acceleration due to gravity, approximately in Earth 9.81 meter per second square. Delta H is the change in meter of the fluid, and rho is the density of water, approximately 1000 kg per meter cubic. V dot is volumetric flow rate in cubic meter per second. The equation represents the power in terms of both mass flow rate and volumetric flow rate to account for different ways of expressing flow in fluid system. In practical terms, this equation often used in the analysis and design of fluid system, such as pump and turbine, to understand the power requirement or output based on the flow rate and changes in height. The efficiency factor helps to quantify how effective the system is converting into energy into useful output. In conclusion, hydroelectric power is a sustainable and resilient solution for electric power generation. It is also co-friendly way to generate electricity. It has low greenhouse gas emission, lasts a very long time, and doesn't cost much to run. It provides steady power supply and helps manage water effectively. It creates job and recreational opportunity, and overall it embodies a harmonious integration of human energy needs and environmental stewardship, making a powerful force in shaping greener and more sustainable future.